Okay, welcome everyone. So we will be introducing our new SAS Polytech Pizza website today. My name is Min, and this is Cedric, my partner. Yeah, let's get started. So this is our main page here with the 4 different links to our other pages. On this page, you can take a little peek at what we offer and who we are. So the picture here, so we got 3 different pictures of what we have available to for orders. We got burgers, chicken wings, and pizza. At the top, we got the navigation bar, a little bit about us, some information about us, and at the bottom here, we got contact information, location, and work opening hours. Contact information here, location here. If you click this, it will send you to a different website for a link. We will talk a little bit about that later. Next up is our menu. Our menu is very clean and very linear. So from our left side here, we got traditional pizza with 4 sizes to choose from. And then there's 28 predetermined type of pizza. Depending on what you like, you can have a look there. You can upgrade to gluten-free, or if you would like, just say no thanks. Additional toppings here, and then our prices and specialty pizza. And then a little bit, and then at the bottom, we got this. If you click it, it will take you back to the top. We'll talk a little bit about that later on. Let's take it to Zectric to explain the other 2 pages.
Sounds good. So as you can see, this is the history of pizza. As you can see here, this is what it looks like. We added some old picture on the background since we're talking about history. And as you can see, we added a video about the history of pizza there. And this is the first paragraph. It's talking about the pizza, what's the ingredients and how's it made, and those stuff. And we also added some picture in the middle, in between the 2 paragraphs. And right here, the second paragraph is talking about where it originated from and where it came from. And yeah, we also added some animation behind the navigation bar. As you can see, it's turning bluish, purplish to the left, to the right. And yeah, that's for the history of pizza. Time to move to customer reviews. So as you can see, this is our customer feedback form. And we also added some purplish, bluish boxes at the background to make this page stand out a little bit. And I was talking about earlier, we also have added the same animation of the navigation bar, as you can see, and we also added an emoji there. And this is what the form looks like, and this is the questions right there. So we have at least 10 questions on the customer feedback form that you have to fill out. And once you're done filling out all of this, just hit submit. Then that's it. You're pretty much done filling out the form. And back to you, man.
Awesome. Let's take a little bit. Let's take a peek at our coding in the HTML and CSS. I'll get us started with the home page and menu page. So throughout our website is very organized and clean, including our coding. So here's the homepage HTML in very traditional coding style. So everyone can read this easily. So there's the header, article, footer, etc. Same with the CSS, it's nicely labeled. And again, starting from top is the body and all the way down to the footer. In between, there's different designs. So here's the animation for example. Same with the menu page. We put a nice table here so that it's nicely displayed for everyone to look at, so no one get confused. That's one of the good thing about our website. Cedric, your turn.
Okay, so time to do the history of pizza. So this is the code for the history of pizza. As you can see, this is the navigation bar we have there. This is like the title that you guys saw earlier. And this is the video that I was talking about. And this is the first paragraph, the the picture in between the paragraph, and this is the second paragraph. As you can see, it's pretty much labeled and organized for you guys to be able to see it without having any problem. And this is the code for it. As you can see, again, it's pretty much labeled. You don't have to go back and forth. You can just see it, like the video, the style of the videos. All of these are labeled, as you can see, so you don't have to go back and forth again. So it's much easier for you. And now time to move to customer feedback form. So as you can see, this is the code for it, for our last page, which is the customer feedback. Again, this is the navigation bar, pretty organized, as you can see, and we have to make sure that each question is organized. So we did field set for everything, for every question. So this is question 1, 2, 3. As you can see, it's really organized. And we also added some note there. That's the space in between question. Again, it's pretty organized, as you can see. You don't have to go back and forth to look for everything. We pretty much leave it everything for you guys. And this is the code for the customer feedback. As you can see, again, it's pretty much labeled. See, we labeled everything for you guys, so you don't have to go back and forth again. So it's much easier to follow. And yeah, back to main.
Awesome. Let's look at a few things we added for your convenience. Let's get started off with the homepage again. Hope everyone can see my screen here. So at the bottom on the footer, we got our location. You can click on this, which can lead you to Google Map to show you the direction and other information. Or you can click on this big map here, where it will also lead you to the Google Map to get direction and other information. Let's move on to our menu page. On our menu page at the bottom, we got this bar here. If you click it, it will scroll all the way back to the top of the screen so that you don't have to scroll. Yeah, so Cedric, if you don't mind showing us the caption and the customer review.
Okay, sounds good. So as you can see, this is the history of pizza again. So the bonus that we did is right there, the caption. So if you, I'm just gonna mute it so it won't be that loud. So if you click start, it will display English text, the history of pizza. And if you go here, then click caption, then go to French, it will change the subtitle to English. To French, I mean. My bad. There we go.
Warm,
Peace.
delicious.
So it changes the text to French, as you can see. And we also added some animation, as you guys saw. So if every time that you click the refresh, it will rotate the video 360. And that's it for the history of pizza, for the bonus part. And time to go to customer feedback form. As you can see at the bottom of the page, this is the bonus part that we did, as you can see. So every time that you hover to this star, it line up with the yellow thing, as you can see. So every time that you click something, it will stay, as you can see. So yeah, this is the bonus part that we did for this page, for customer feedback form. And back to you, Min.
Yeah, so that is our code. One of the pros of our website is very neat and clean and very organized. Our layout is very, I guess, very linear. So you can take a look and without getting lost in like a maze. So that's one of the cons of the website. Yeah, I hope everyone enjoyed the presentation today, and feel free to come visit the website anytime. Thanks again, everyone. Have a nice
See you
day.
guys.